Unlink Rockstar account from Epic Games. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can unlink Rockstar account from Epic Games, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically unlink Rockstar account from Epic Games, we have to go to support page. So go to support.rockstargames.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below, and here you will see all the sorts of information where you want to go to account support. Now here you can see Rockstar Games account. Click on Rockstar Games account, and here you can see account linking. Go to account linking option there, and once you go to account linking option over there, all you have to do is you'll be given this particular form here, which you have to fill according to the details. So you have to make sure to enter your Rockstar Games email. In the description, just type in that you want to unlink your Epic Games account from this account and provide them the respective ID details such as your username or maybe your email address. Then just click on submit web ticket. Then they will usually get back to you within 24 hours of your response. So this way you should be able to unlink Rockstar account from Epic Games. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.